Okay, good day everyone. I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another episode of Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing monomials, answering the question, what is the quotient of 15x raised to 6 and 3x squared? Okay, so first thing that we need to do is to translate this statement into an algebraic expression. And since we use the word quotient, we are dividing these two monomials. And how are we going to divide monomials? First, let's translate this. So 15x raised to 6 will be our dividend and 3x squared will be our divisor. So it will be written in this form. 15x raised to 6 divided by 3x squared. Now, we can also rewrite this into fraction form, wherein 15x raised to 6 will be our numerator. So 15x raised to 6 will be our numerator. And our denominator will be 3x squared. And we will now perform dividing monomials. And when we divide the coefficient by the coefficient, variable by the variable. So 15 divided by 3, 5. Okay, then let's proceed to the variable. So we have x raised to 6 divided by x squared. So since they have the same variable, we will copy the base and then apply the loss of exponent, which is the quotient rule, wherein we will subtract the exponent. So 6 minus 2. Okay, then let's simplify. Okay, so the quotient of this monomials will be 5x raised to 4. That will be our final answer. Ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.